Dolls, Shein sent me a monthly August beauty box. I'm going to make this video really simple and straight to the point because I have the Barbie video going up as well. So Shein have been so good to me this month. They sent me a secret beauty box. I don't know what all the products in the box are until I open it. And I've been dying to open it on camera with you, dolls. So we're going to see it together for the first time. So it's going to be a quick video. Grab your coffee, grab your teas. Let's see what Shein sent me for August 2023. Their beauty box, mystery beauty box. Let's go, dolls.
That is my dream. I just wanna be. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
That I have here. I've not opened any of the packages Shein sent me in this box. I don't know anything that's inside here, so we're going to see together for the first time. I've been so nervous because it's been sitting in my apartment for like a week and I really don't know what's inside here. There could be like a mouse in here. There could be a giraffe inside this box. Only God knows. So it's going to be a mystery. So I love the mystery. I love to find out what they sent me. It's going to be fun. So let's open this box. Well, it's already open, but let's see what's inside. Just pick at random. And to show you that I don't know anything inside this box, I literally don't. They're packaged, so you can see everything is packaged. So I don't know what's inside here. So this is beauty blenders. I've actually been needing some beauty blenders. So Shein sent me the most cutest beauty blenders. Look at these. They're like a marbly type. I've been needing a new beauty blender. Like my beauty blender is falling apart. So this was the most perfect thing ever. So that's that. And by the way, everything I show is going to be linked down below. So they sent me the links, but I've not clicked on any. So I don't know what they look like. So it's like these marble beauty blenders. Look at that. Here they are close up so you can see it. It's like marble. Look at that. Don't know if you can see. It's like a marbly, can you see that? I'm going to be giving this to my mum, some of these, and they feel so soft. I like the soft, very buttery soft texture. And I love it, especially for like your under eye makeup. And I just love the colors. Like, I'm going to test it out because you know those like regular beauty blenders are so expensive. So this is very affordable and it's a pack of them. So I'm going to be testing it out. I don't know why I'm doing that under my eye. So, okay, so this next item, I kind of ruined it and took a peek. And it is for like your nails. I'm giving this to my nail tech because I don't do nails at home. So it's basically a little, it's got love hearts on it. You put your like, you know when you go to a nail shop, you rest your hands on this. It's like a hand rest. And I am opening it right now for the first time. It's like a faux leather hand rest and it's got love hearts on it, as you can see. So I'm going to be giving that to my nail tech because she's going to love this and it's pink. So anytime she does my nails, we're using this hand rest. So I love that. It's like a little nail hand rest. So I guess thank you, Shein, for this. So this next item is so cute. And I love the fact that Shein sent me all pink items. The fact they know me so much and know that my favorite color is pink is beyond. So they sent me, everything's pretty much pink that I'm seeing so far. Like, it's such an aesthetic. They sent me this and I've never seen something like this before, but it's like a pink nail clipper, I'm guessing. It says nail clipper and it's so cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Can you see that? It's like an electronic nail clipper. I'm not sure how to use it, but I have been looking for something like this too. Like I've been wanting like not your regular nail clippers. So I'm going to read it actually really quickly. And it's got a USB and everything. It comes with a USB. It's got different levels of speed. Electric nail clipper. So this is interesting. And the fact they sent me pink because it has white, but they sent me pink. They marked pink on there. So I'm so happy. And it's got like a bear on the front. So I'm happy. I love it. So this they sent me, it's kind of just opened in the bag just now, is I guess an eyelash curler. Hold on. Comes with like a USB cord. It's pink. They know me so well. Like, I feel like I'm seen. I feel like they're watching me. Like, they know I need like pink stuff and pink beauty stuff. I love this. So look, you just curl. Oh my God, they sent me pink. A pink lash curler. It's so pretty. It's like the perfect shade of pink as well. Oh my God, so I'm going to be using that. I think it's an electronic one because it comes with a USB cord, so it heats up. I love that. What's inside this bag? What is in here? So this is, I don't know what this is, but I will have the links down below. If someone could tell me, I think it's something for like massaging your skin or like some skincare product, because it's got two ends to it. Can you see that? I don't know, but it's kind of pink. Yeah, it's pink as well. They just keep sending me pink stuff like, wow, you know me so well, Shein. I love it. I love feeling seen. What is this? Hold on, another item. So much stuff. You dolls are going to scream. Another pink item. Nails. They sent me these Love Heart nails, acrylics. If you do press-ons, this is definitely for you. So I didn't even know Shein had press-ons. So they sent me that, and it has like love hearts. It's like a coffin shape. Look at that. So in case my nail breaks, like one of my nails is broken right now, I can put some press-ons, and they're pink. So yeah, I didn't even know Shein had press-ons. So definitely check them out. I've heard, actually, I think I've heard they have press-ons. And I think I've heard on TikTok they have amazing press-ons. Like I've heard people saying it on TikTok, I believe, and weave. So yeah, check out Shein beauty section. Okay, so this next item here, what is this? Pink. Oh my God, they know I love pink. This is on purpose now. This is definitely on purpose. Look, maybe I should do this. Look, pink clip-in. So it's clip-in extensions. I should clip this into my hair. What do you dolls think? Very Barbie-like. And it's almost as long as like the hair I have in right now. Look. Oh my God. Nicki Minaj vibes. It's giving me an idea. Should I have like a little bit of pink in here? This one little clip-in extension. I love that. I actually like that. I'm gonna probably do it in one of my videos. The next item is like these eyelashes. I love this. If you're someone who loves to go out to party, this is for you. I love this though. Look. The lashes are gorgeous. I never even knew Shein did lashes. This is gorgeous. Like you probably won't see it properly. Can you see it? It's got pink glitter at the end. Can you see that? They're like very thick lashes and they look really, 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 really gorgeous. I love those. So I'll link everything down below. I love these. So this item here is, look, like face makeup, like face rhinestones, and they're pink and like rhinestone, like clear rhinestones. I can't wait to test this out. And it's got pearls as well. And you just like stick it around your eye. Shadow makeup look like that. I've been wanting to do something like that. It's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that, dolls. That is so gorge. So if you want to do like, if you're like into going out to parties and stuff, this is perfect for you. I can do that just for fun, to take pictures. I think I should do that, like a little pearl rhinestone look. I don't know. What do you dolls think? So they sent me that. I didn't even know they did these like sticker adhesives, and it's for nail art as well. So you can have these on your nails too. Look, love it. Okay, so time for the last item that Shein sent me. And it is, what is this? Let's see. I think it's pink too. I think it's pink too. What could this be? Oh my God, a torch. I've needed a torch. How does Shein know all the little things I need? This is so amazing. So it's a pink torch. I guess Americans call it like, what do you guys call it in America? We call it torches. You call it torchlight, flashlight. I think you guys call it flashlight, but in the UK we call it a torch. So this. What do you guys call that? I think torchlight, right? We call it torch. This is so cute. And it's perfect for night times when I walk my dogs. I turn it on, like it's you can hang it on your key ring. It's perfect. I'm so happy they sent me this because I've been needing one for like nighttime. I've needed a torch in my apartment for night. You just never know, like you just never know when you need to see stuff. Like you just like emergency. It's perfect. It's like perfect on your key ring. Like I think it's for your key. So I'm so happy they sent me this. And yeah, that is that. We are done with the mystery beauty box with Shein. I enjoyed it. It was fun. It was literally a mystery. So let me know if you enjoyed this type of content, because I enjoyed it and I'm so happy Shein picked me for this video. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed it, and we'll probably do maybe a September beauty box, mystery box, but this is August mystery box and this is what they wanted you to see, and I'm so happy they sent me this stuff. So as usual, as usual, dolls, if you have, no wait, secret word, how's my brain just flimsy today? Because this is a mystery beauty box, we're going to do the secret word as the lipstick emoji and the question mark emoji, because it's a mystery video. So it's beauty for beauty and the mystery. So comment that in the comment section. It helps me know, if you're new to this channel, when you comment these secret emojis, it helps me know who has been watching and paying attention to the end of the video. Very soon I'm going to start adding giveaways to this because I think it's going to make it more fun. So comment that in the comment section down below. It helps me know, and also let me know what state you're watching this video from. So for example, if you're from Georgia, put a Georgia peach, or let me know what country and put the flag emoji in the comment section down below. I love you dolls so much. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. It helps my channel out so much. I can't stress it out much more than that. Share this video, share it with a friend, share it on Facebook, share it on Instagram, put it in your story, tag me, share it on TikTok, wherever. Get this video out there. More subscribers, the more content I push out. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, dolls. You mean the world to me. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart. I'm wishing you an amazing week ahead. Smooches. Bye. Love you, dolls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.